Hello, Professor Pee-wee here from Einstein's Entertainers with another science experiment that you guys can do at home. Now today we're going to be exploring sound. Now this is something that we covered a few years ago with our assistants Greta and Bibi, and we used tuning forks. Now today we're going to explore this a little bit more. But today's experiment you are going to need some scissors, a metal coat hanger and some string. Now, what I'd like you all to do at home is I'd like you all to get your hand like this, and I'd like you to put it onto your neck, and I want you all to go, hmm, and then can you guys then put your hand on your lips and go, hmm. Can you guys feel your hand vibrating? Can you feel it going, now that's because every sound makes a vibration. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how that happens today by using this very simple experiment. And we're going to make our little coat hanger here with two bits of string that hang off. Now this might look a bit weird, but I guarantee you this is lots and lots of fun. To make this little cool experiment, you are going to need your coat hanger and your piece of string. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make your string into two. So we're going to cut it in half, okay? So we're going to cut that. You might want your parents to help you with this bit, so you can do some cutting. So we're going to cut that there. And then we've got two bits of string. And then on one corner of our coat hanger, we want to tie it on, okay? We're going to tie it on there. And then with the other piece of string, we'll do the same on the other side in the corner. Now these don't have to be on really, really tight. This just needs to make sure that the string is on to the coat hanger so that the vibrations can go down it. And then once it hangs like that, you then crucially need to wrap the string around your fingers, wrap it round, and then do the same on the other side. Wrap that round, and then once you've got them like that, can you see how they're wrapped around my finger and the coat hanger is hanging freely in the middle? You then place your fingers in your ears and then you go against the table and you'll be able to hear the vibrations. Ready? Now, of course at home you're not going to be able to hear it, but it sounds like you're in like a big echoey hall. Now guys, if you have had fun with this little experiment, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and do tell others about these experiments because we want more people to keep busy at home. But guys, don't forget to keep safe and to wash your hands. See you soon, guys!